What's up, traders? Welcome back to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. My name is Akinola Kine. I'm the lead instructor. Guys, I want to show you the simple strategy on how to trade, how to catch spike on boom and crash. This strategy is an advanced strategy that requires some lesson. First of all, we have to first explain how the strategy works and how to implement it into your chart. As you all know, my name is Akinola Kine. I'm the lead instructor from KineFX Academy. So, how to use this strategy? In this strategy, you have to choose your higher time frame. You can choose 5 minutes, 15 minutes. It depends. If your entry time frame is 1 minute, you can choose 5 minutes or 15 minute time frame. But if your entry time frame is 5 minutes, you can choose. If you are using 1 minute time frame, choose 15 minutes as your higher time frame, and if it is 5 minutes, choose 30 minutes as your entry time frame. So how does this strategies work? This strategy is an advanced order block strategy, and it is very effective when it comes to boom and crash and how to catch spike on spike strategy on boom and crash. You understand? It is very effective in catching spike. So let me first illustrate how this strategy goes. Now this is a boom, and you see that the boom market is in uptrend, that is in a spike mode. A lot of spike is happen. Then you see that on the retracement, this is how the retracement is going to be. It's going to be a dot like this. It's going to be a dot chart. You understand? So on the last candle, on that retracement, that is last red candle, that is where your awaiting level is going to be, that is point of interest, like what just happened here, this candle here, that is where your awaiting level is going to be. So what are you looking at? You are looking for a retracement to be in a you are waiting for a retracement to be dropping, then when it's closer by, the market intends to go up back. There's a spike, it may be a little spike that happened, but the spike failed to break this structure, the immediate high. The spike failed to break it. In that case, this level has created liquidity for you. So you are waiting for price to just grab the liquidity into your awaiting level, which is a point of interest. Then you already have your pending order to buy. This is a spike strategy. Pending order works on spike strategy, on how to on cashing spike. So pending order doesn't work on a normal trade level. If you are taking candles on the boom, it doesn't work. But if you are cashing spike, pending orders work. You understand? So once the market trade enter your point of interest, you place your buy immediately, and the spike will continue. You understand? Because you have already have your confirmation. So let me show you the reality chart. Let's go to 15 minute time frame. As you can see here, this is what I'm trying to explain. You can see that this retracement happened. So, and the last candle, that is where we place our waiting level, point of interest. What happened when price enter the level? Spike occur immediately, and the market begin to spike up. That is how simple the strategy is, once you understand the strategy. And what validates this level, you can see what I explained. There's a break of structure here, and when the retracement is coming, this market intends to buy. There's a spike, and what happened is the spike, it creates a liquidity, and it was grabbed inside our awaiting level. Then spike begin to happen. So let's look for another example to solidify our strategy. I think I have one entry around this level. Alright, this is another one here. A spike happen, you understand? A spike happen, it break the initial structure, and this was the last candle. This was the last candle. This was the last candle. Let me do that in a proper way. Let me use their tools here. So this was the last candle. So, and the spike, and the market started retracing, and suddenly spike happened, but it failed to close above this level. You understand? It failed. Then what happened is price come back to your awaiting level, and the spike happened. That is how simple the strategy is. That is how simple the strategy is. You understand? So you may desire to enter on your 15-minute time frame, or go back to your 1-minute time frame to place your entry. So far is a pending order, so you have nothing to worry about. Just make sure that your stop loss is below this level. You may tighten it, you may put it very close to this level. You understand? Then your stop loss should be at the high level. Your stop loss must not go beyond this level. You understand? Because after that place, there is nothing guaranteed again. So guys, I don't want this video to be so much long, so you should do the rest by yourself. Go to your charts and do some back testing. You understand? So if you don't understand this video once, come back to the video. The video is here to stay. You understand? You can come to watch the video anytime you like. Go to other market too, do your back test, and you see that the market, the strategy is very effective in no market, even for volatility than other market. So guys, if you want content like this, if you check under this channel, we drop a lot of strategy on how to trade, boom and crash. We help beginners trader to become profitable. You understand? So just click on subscribe button. Don't forget to on your notification bell so that you'll be aware anytime we drop any video. So guys, I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.